In this video, guys, I'm going to be taking a look at the catalyst candle that is the engulfing candle, which is probably the greatest confirmation and my favorite catalyst to look for as a signal within price action to enter a trade. Now, definition of engulfing candle is simply a candle. First of all, I'll show you all in a sell situation. So what we have just here is price has pulled back to a previous level of support to the left. It's in a downtrend. It's at a level that I'd like to get involved in a trade. What we've done is we've closed back bullish only to be engulfed, completely engulfed by the following candle. So what I mean by engulfed, the candle has closed below the lowest point of that bullish candle. Has to close below the lowest point. Can't close below the body, has to close below the lowest point. Preferable if it has a lower high as well, and obviously it's going to have a lower low if it closes below the lowest point. That to me is an engulfing candle. That is probably the #1 signal within price action to look to execute upon a trade. And that is a sell in a sell position, looking for these type of situations that happen at resistance. You can also look to take it on a confirmation of a closure below. Obviously, if you have a previous candle closing back bullish, only to be followed by bearish engulfing back below support. And that is another example when you can use the engulfing candles in a sell position. Now, we have to move across here to the left hand side. So what we've got is, and this is a dual signal within price action. We have dual catalysts just here, but I'll focus on the engulfing candle at this stage. I might come back to it when I go over the next catalyst. So what we've got here is price has pulled back down to this previous support here to the left. At that support, got a doji candle, only to be followed by a candle that closes bullish engulfing. So it's closed above the highest point of that bearish candle, has a higher low as well, so that's even better. Closed above, so that again is the catalyst within price action, that bullish engulfing candle. So when we're looking to buy, it has to close above the highest point of the previous bearish candle. The candle prior to it has to be bearish, and in an uptrend, when you're looking to sell it from a resistance, so sell it back from the pullback to the upside, you're looking, the previous candle has to be bullish, can't be bearish, has to be bullish candle, and then you engulf that candle to the downside. Has to be bearish candle, then you engulf that candle to the upside, and then after that, and you're looking for a potential entry as price begins to break the catalyst candles high based off, once again, the M30 time frame. So we can look at other catalysts on the 15-minute, the engulfing on the 15-minute as just added confirmation, but it's always best to use it on the M30. So again, to the upside, if you're looking to potentially buy it above a resistance, for instance, let's just use this level for argument's sake. It's also would be a really good indication if we have prior to it another bearish candle, only to be followed by a bullish engulfing, which closes above the resistance. And again, that is another catalyst, and that is another bullish engulfing candle. That's another engulfing candle. So another example of when we can use it. So look out for those guys. And in the next video, I'll go over the doji and hammer candle catalyst candles. See you then.